Hello and good morning. My name is Jordan, and I'm gonna start doing this. Just get some practice in before I go into broadcasting while I'm here at Ohio State. So I'm gonna be primarily covering Ohio, not really anything else. But here we go. Right now, I'm just gonna be doing the first week, and I'll be doing hopefully another video next Sunday. So if we look, we really have nothing until around Wednesday. We get probably have some showers right now. And then later on in the week, this is a system that we will be watching that might be producing some severe stuff, especially down in the south, more likely than not. But there's some chances that we might get some severe. We'll take a look at that later here soon. But yeah, we can see we got a nice little frontal system that comes in that developed from around the Colorados that traveled its way up here. And yeah, and then it should be mostly clear after that till Sunday. Not really much happening after that, besides those two systems. So let's go take a look at our temperatures we'll be looking at. Let me go zoom in real quick to more of Ohio stance. Okay, yeah. So it's going to be around the 30s today, probably go up to the 50s later on in the afternoon, and then drop back down to the 40s. But during the week, we'll be slowly climbing back up to around 60s like we were last week when we had that 70-degree day. As we can see, we got a couple 50-degree days. 68, yeah, right now, this is just GFS, but right now we're looking at around 68 of a high on Thursday, so it's going to be a pretty warm day. Give or take one or two temperatures either way. Still a lot can happen in between now and then. And yeah, there's the frontal system that will come in on Thursday. And then we'll go right back into some cold temperatures with some 30s, 40s, and might hit a 50, but that's later on. Let's go take at the wind. It's going to have a stance. So this is being tracked in knots, by the way, not miles per hour. So it's like basically the same thing. So let's just run through the week real quick. Yeah. And then let's go back so I can get the full, so I can show you guys. Okay, so we're going to have some calmer winds today, maybe like 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tomorrow we might get some gusty winds in the morning, and it'll go back to being calm later in the afternoon. And then this is the first frontal system that we'll be seeing come through. Get some high winds, probably around 20 miles an hour, 15 to 20 miles an hour that day. And then here's the second one. Not as strong of gusty winds, but we still will be having to look out for that severe weather aspect that day. So, yeah, so relatively calm, probably on average, probably around 5 to 10, 10 to 15 miles an hour throughout the week, with some days around 20 miles an hour, 15 to 20. Yeah. Let's go take a look. Um, let's take a look at the severe weather. Let's go look at some CAPE, which CAPE is just the amount of energy the atmosphere has that allows for an air particle to rise and form some storm clouds. So if we look, yeah, really nothing until, which I'm mainly wanting to get to Thursday. Yeah, as you can see, mainly down in the south is what we're looking at. If you can't see that, we probably have some. I mean, that's really all you need. We're gonna have probably around 200, which is small, but there's so many more ingredients that will go into more storm formation, like shear, and like as you can see, not much. But down south, you do also have some couple hot spots. Let's go. Let's go see like what the shear is. Yeah, let's go. So this, what shear is just the change of wind speed and direction with height. So it can go either way, and you need this for storm development. So you can have like the storm does not collapse on it in on itself. So so you want that like the storm to be moved away from its updraft so it doesn't like choke itself out and just collapse within itself. So in order to have a storm that keeps growing, you need shear to allow it to grow. So yeah, got some shear, but we're not really looking on Wednesday. So you got that shear, and then here's and then you can see on Thursday we do have the shear aspect on Thursday. So that's one reason why we might be looking at some storms that day as well. Let's go look at the upper levels. So let's go back to over the United States, and we'll probably take a look at the 500 millibar level, which is just the constant pressure with height. So as you can see, you got the low down here that's moving away, and you got trough ridge, and then this, you got some probably gonna have some southerly winds, which will be drawing in that warm temperature that day. And then there's the first low pressure system, and then there's the second one, which right here will be drawing in this warm temperature. So you're gonna have more southerly winds on Thursday when you have the system move through, and then it moves through our area, and then we get the cold temperatures for a little bit, but should be setting back out around 40s or 50s that day. But still longer fair way out. We don't know the exact details of how the weather will be on Thursday. With we need to know more the mesoscale, which is the smaller scale, how it will be that day, how much sunlight there is. And right now we just know that there's going to be a system moving through that has the potential of severe weather. Speaking of that, let's go to the Storm Prediction Center. Day one, really nothing categorical. You have maybe some stuff over in Virginia and stuff. Then we go to day two. You got probably large swath of marginal in Texas, but this is Ohio. We don't care about that right now. We care about Ohio. Yeah, as you can see, and then now this is the day three, so you can start seeing some stuff starting to move towards our area. We go to the 4 to 8 day. Okay, there we go. Day 4, day 5. This is where we'll be seeing some of that severe weather. Day 6, nothing. Through day 8, nothing. So but mainly we're probably going to be looking at primarily down here is where we'll be seeing most of the severe weather, but can't rule out some severe weather in Ohio, and especially like central and up into northeast Ohio and southern. Now if we go look at the current satellite, as we can see, we got some nice conditions today, nice and sunny. Probably some clouds here and there. And then we can go look at the radar. I think this, right now we're not really looking at much with rain precipitation today. Just mainly that low down in the Carolinas right now. And it's primarily it right now. So it's going to be a nice fair day today. Let's go look at speaking of clouds, let's go look at clouds, at least for the first few days. If it loads, there we go. So I'm going to go to the North America model, which is NAM. And so let's go look at surface and precipitation, cloud cover. So, as you can see, we will not have some clouds today, but as the week goes on, we'll probably get some partly cloudy days. Going into late week, we'll probably start seeing more of cloudy weather, cloudy weather. So we get some breaks here and there, but as that low pressure moves in through, we'll have some more cloud cover. Let's go look at current conditions. Where's current conditions? Right here. So right now it looks like it is 51 degrees here in Columbus, Ohio, around 40 degrees up in Cleveland, 48 in Cincinnati. So it looks like mostly all of Ohio is in low 40s to low 50s, so around 10 degree range. So it's looking to be nice. We're probably going to be, what did I say the low was? Let's go look at those temperatures again. Okay. We'll probably be seeing a low of maybe around low 30s, high 20s, maybe. So it's going to be a little chilly tonight, but A. It's winter. What can you expect? Yeah. I think that will be all for today for today's forecast. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I mean, this is my first time doing this type of thing. If you liked it, go ahead and hit subscribe. Be primarily Ohio weather, so if you're from Ohio, go ahead and like, subscribe. I mean, I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed, and